Magandang hapon mga patrollers. Ako si Michelle Chico, ang inyong Kikay Patrol. Para sa mga nag-iinit na balita, ito ay ihahatid ni Kikay Kathleen. President Aquino's photo, not the real photo.
Thank you, Kikay Michelle. President Aquino's photo, not the real picture. A snapshot doesn't really picture me. This was Malacanang's reaction to an unflattering palace photo of President Benigno Aquino III that has gone viral on the internet. Palace officials came to the defense of the president over a picture of Mr. Aquino that blogger Raisa Robles said had done 200 criticisms ranging from the tacky interiors of his office to his desk that was stern, not with papers, but with an ashtray and a pack of cigarettes. The general observations made by the commentators were that the office lacked presidential dignity. The ashtray and cigarette on President Aquino's desk showed that he was violating the new no-smoking law, and his nearly empty desk was a proof of a do-nothing presidency, Robles said in her blog, Inside Philippine Politics and Beyond. Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valdez said that people were reading too much into that one singular point. Commenting on the ashtray and cigarette pack, Valdez said it was no secret that Mr. Aquino was a smoker and that if they were there, it is just like any smoker who would keep their cigarette in their bag or on the table. But Valdez said the ashtray was empty, so you can't automatically infer that he had been smoking the time the photo was taken, Valdez said. As to lack of papers in the presidential desk, Valdez said the president makes it a point to clean his desk at the end of the day. Mr. Aquino brings home the paper he has not read, Valdez said. So, not a sign that the president is not working on something like presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda said that one cannot judge and conclude from one single photograph that the president is not working. That is an unfair basis to judge the president's working habits. And I'm Kathleen Grady, sir, your Kikay Patroller. At para naman sa panapanahong balita, yan ay ihahatid ni Kikay Glenda. Bagyong Waning, dumating na sa Pilipinas.
According to the bulletin released by Pag-asa at 11 p.m. today, Bagyong Waning has maximum winds of 85 km per hour near the center and gustinis of up to 100 km. It is moving at 11 km per hour in a west-northwest direction and was located at 20 km north-northwest of Daet, Camarines Norte at 10. Signal number 2. Camarines Provinces, Albay, Catanduanes, Aurora, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Benguet, La Union, Pampanga, Tarlac, Bulacan, Bataan, Rizal, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Quezon, including Polillo Island and Metro Manila. Signal number 1. Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Apayao, Cagayan, Abra, Kalinga, Isabela, Mount Provinces, Ifugao, Mindoro Provinces, Lubang Island, Marinduque, Romblon, Burias Island, Ticao Island. The Typhoon Pag-asa warns those residents and now living at mountainous areas under signal number 1 and number 2. A possible flash flood and landslide those against big waves or storm surges generated by this tropical cyclone. Tropical storm Waning is expected to enhance the southwest monsoon and to bring widespread rains over the West Luzon and Western Visayas. Meanwhile, Wednesday classes have been suspended by DepEd in many areas in Luzon.
I'm Glenda Enriquez, your Kikay Patrollers! At para sa mga balitang sports, yan ay ihahatid sa atin ni Kikay, Rose James, Kobe Bryant, Chris Paul, Space, BBA, Gilas, Los Angeles Lakers superstar Kobe Bryant is back here to live in this exhibition games on July 23 and July 24 at Araneta Coliseum. Bryant, who recently kicked off his 5-city Asian tour here, and Paul headlined the blockbuster event that will bring three stars against PBA selection led by the team-named Genshaw Ginebra. The event, the Ultimate All-Stars Weekend, is also bringing in a Minnesota Timberwolves Derek Williams, Sacramento Timberwolves Derek Evans, LA Clippers DeAndre Jordan, and Oklahoma City Thunder James Harden. But the Ultimate All-Stars Weekend is also bringing in Minnesota Timberwolves Derek Williams, Sacramento Kings Derek Evans, LA Clippers DeAndre Jordan, and Oklahoma City Thunder James Harden. Associate Executive Director of the MVP Sports Foundation was one of the key forces behind the negotiation and the drug that event cost of the bill, expensive and very expensive. Ang nag-iinit na balita ngayon, ako, si Rosie Aquino, ang iyong Kikay Patron. Balik sa'yo, Kikay Michelle!
Salamat, Rosie. And for entertainment news, narito ang nag-iisang si Kikay Michelle. Sino itong nagbabalik pelikula na galing sa Amerika? At itong isang Pilipina na nagpakasal sa Muslim na ngayon magpapakasal daw dito sa Pilipinas. At ang mga kabataang kababaihan ng Korea magpapakita ang gilas sa Pilipinas. At sila minauso sa YouTube mga pangbansa ng Pilipinas na iba na daw, narito. Walang hibala, ang hibala ay nasa puso ng bawat tao. Walang hibala. Hindi kayo doon, no? Inaasahan na ang pagbalik pelikula ni Nora Honor sa Agosto. Natanggal ang nagmula governor na si Ian Ejercito. Salve na Emilio Aguinaldo. Nagpuso na ang negosasyon para sa isang libong shooting. At inaasahan na magiging dahilan siya ng pagkakabati ng magtuloy ng si Erap at Nora na nagkaagitan dahil sa politika. Kahit kami, serving sa Pilipinas. Yan ang araw ni Mariel na aming nakapanayam. Hindi na nga maitago ni Mariel ang kasayahan habang hawak ang kamay ni Robin habang naglalakad sa isang sikat na Lavis Day. Ito ang kaunang hapon na sa Europa at sila ay bumisipili sa Roma at Santo sa loob ng isang linggo. Second honeymoon nila ang Paris pagkatapos ng isang maximum wedding. Noong nakaraang taon, dahil sa karanasan sa Europa, pinagtutuunan ni Mariel ang anak ni Robin ng pakasal sa Pilipinas. I think we yeah, baby. Asyo, hala nyo ko iyan to, no? Cake packing dates to Philippines store in 4 minutes. The days are in for the first ever Filipina tour of one of the biggest acts in the K-pop music industry today. Jin, Kayo, Jihon, A. Soyun, a collective known as 4 Minutes, make their way to Manila on this month of July for a series of motions and autograph signings. Isang video sa YouTube ang kumakalat na ang Pilipinas daw ay may iba ng pangbansa. Pangbansang ano to? Una, pambansang laro. Ngayon daw ay Angry Birds na. Pambansang kanta na ngayon ay Pusong Bato na. Di na makainit, di rin makatulog. At pambansang sayaw na ngayon ay Teaching How to Doggy na. Teaching How to Doggy. Teaching How to Doggy. At yan po ang mga balita, di dapat siniseryoso. At kami ang Patol Kia!
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You know what it is. violet, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yellow paint. I hear it standing up in the
Para sa mga nagpapalita sa salita, ito ay lahat. President Aquino.
way inside.
Exhibition Day, July 23 and July 24 at Araneta Coliseum. Royal Tourism Week kicks off with 5 cities Asian tour here and 4 headlines provide.
Millions got another million.
Take 3 camera action! The general.
You know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah. Creeping back down. When I pulled up the lot, that's done. Up in my town, when you see me, you know everything. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. I put it down from the whip to my diamonds, violet, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Got a call from my jeweler, this just in, and women